Today I'm making candied lemon peel, and something that is really delicious, you know, with a dessert perhaps, or dipped in chocolate and eaten with a cup of coffee. So to start with, what you need is lemons, obviously, and I've got lots of lemon trees, so I've got lots of lemons. Cut your lemon into about into eighths, like so. And then what you need to do is cut the flesh away from the skin, just like that. And try to get as much pith off that lemon peel as you can, because it's the pith which is the bitter part of the peel. And then what I do is cut them again. So I've done some already. You can see here. I'm just going to carry on doing these, but I've done a few ahead of time. That's about 2.5 lemons there, so it goes quite a long way. There we are. Now the leftover flesh, you can squeeze the juice from that and use it for make it for other uses. You can also do the same with orange peel. So I'm going to do an orange here. We've got orange trees as well, so we're pretty lucky. So cut into eighths again, cut away the pith. By the way, it's the pith that makes the making of marmalade with citrus fruits so easy, because the pith contains a lot of pectin, which helps your marmalade to set. I think these orange segments, I'm going to eat those later because they're quite delicious. So let's cut the peel again into strips, and away we go. So once you've done this, what we need to do is cover them with cold water, bring them to the boil, and then boil for around 5 minutes. Drain them and repeat that another 2 times. So 3 times in total, covering with cold water, bringing to the boil, boiling for 3 to 4 minutes, draining, and then repeating 3 times. That takes away some bitterness that can be in the peel. And then we're going to go on to put them into a syrup. Okay, I've now boiled and drained my peel 3 times, as I said before, and I've made a syrup. Proportions of 1 cup of water to 1.5 cups of sugar. Now I'm just finishing that, bringing it to the boil and dissolving it. Then I'm going to add the peel, bring it slowly to the boil, and then simmer very gently for about an hour, until the peel is quite translucent and tender. And then it should be ready to drain again, but we'll just leave it simmering, just stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick, so it cooks evenly. About an hour. So my peel has simmered in that syrup for around about an hour, and if you like to look closely now, it's become quite translucent looking, and I've had a taste of it. It's quite tender. So I've drained it, and of course I'm going to save that syrup because it's quite flavourful. What I might actually do is add a little bit of lemon, a lime peel to it, and perhaps some lime juice, and just make it a really nice syrup to serve with desserts and so on. So let it drain in your sieve, and then tip it onto a rack. And what I'm going to do is just spread that out and let it dry for a while until it becomes kind of sticky and tacky. And then the next step is to just roll it in some castor sugar. So here we have the finished product, rolled in castor sugar, left to dry, and then the other option is dipping them in melted chocolate. Absolutely delicious. Serve with a coffee any time of the day. Enjoy.